Hello everybody, welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. The challenge is to figure out what the math is inside this purple mystery box. And you can do that by pausing the video, clicking the link in the description, and then putting in as many numbers as you like in the top and seeing how they come out transformed at the bottom. When you've got a good guess, come on back, watch the rest of the video, and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin. I'm going to put in a 0. Oh, so 0 gives us 20, which is not on our graph. Well, let's try a 1. 1 gives us 40, which is very much not on our graph. Maybe we try the other direction. Let's try a -1. So -1, we've got 0. Let's try a -2. Oh, and that's -20 already, so we're off the graph again. Huh, so in the other direction. So what we've got is just 1 point on our graph. So looking at this isn't going to help us a lot, although I suppose I could put in some really small values between maybe 0 and -1 and -1 and -2 to see some other points on the graph. But I think we could get this just by the numbers. One thing that I notice right away is that it's moving by 20s, right? If you go from 0 up to 1, you get a difference of 20. And then between -1 and 0, it's a difference of 20. And then between -1 and -2, it's a difference of 20. So it looks like, let's see, as we move to the right, as we're going from 0 to 1, it goes up by 20. So I think the slope is going to be a positive 20. And it looks like that's the same between every step. So what I'm thinking is that this is a line. So positive 20 for our slope. And then where does it cross the x-axis? Well, the y-axis. Where's our y-intercept? Well, we have that actually. Where it crosses the y-axis is where x is 0, and that is 20. So this looks like 20x plus 20. And I think that's all that we have to do. So f of x equals 20x plus 20. We might want to test another point. Maybe let's see if we can figure out how to get a point that's on the graph. What if I put in, well, if I put in -1/2, that would give me -10 plus 20. That would just barely be on the graph. So let's put in -1/2. And I'm thinking I should get 10 here, because -1/2 times 20 is -10 plus 20 is positive 10. So -1/2 should give us a positive 10. And there it is, and there's our point way up at the top there. So I think we've got this. I'm going to go ahead and reveal. Yeah, there it is, 20x plus 20, and let's graph that as well. Very steep line, a slope of positive 20 cutting through that graph, almost on a vertical. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see that that was a linear function, and were you able to get this equation for the line? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.